Alright, we're at Gina's house today and we're installing a complete water irrigation system. Front yard's already been done other than spreading a little bit more dirt out. It consists of 2 stations to split the lawn in half, and then a couple of bubblers for the tree in front of us. Basically, we start out at the water source, tap into it. We have to add a backflow preventer to prevent potable water from getting contaminated by being sucked back through. If it floods out, you don't want the dirty water mixing with the clean water. Here we have 2 of the valves for the lawn. Actually, 1 valve is for the lawn, 1 valve is for the bubblers. And we have a second one. See, we weren't getting enough pressure. And I noticed that there's a 1-inch line coming in, but it leads to 3/4 inch service. You can only get so much out of 3/4 inch. So what I did is I tapped into the 1-inch line for the one station, because it's got 3 or 4 360-degree streaming nozzles, which takes up a lot of volume and wasn't getting enough pressure. So I put a shut-off valve on the 1-inch line after I tapped into it, and I included the shut-off valve right there, and then right after that shut-off valve there's a check valve, a one-way check valve to prevent backflow as well. So, and that 1-inch line gave us all the pressure that we needed, which we'll demonstrate in a little while. Basically, this leg here to the driveway, and all the way across to the other driveway is the first leg. It's also got a drip line. Normally I don't use poly line, but this is such a small skinny strip that it's not really wide enough for a sprinkler, so I just ran a drip line right along this edge all the way down to that first sprinkler. Normally I won't go more than 5 feet with the poly, because I firmly believe in using the PVC instead. Poly's not meant for gravel, it's not meant to be in the sun. Yet every home in Phoenix, it seems like that's how they were built. Most of them were built or thrown in order to sell the homeowner's package with a bunch of other things, and it looks like it doesn't make the payment any bigger because it's spread over 30 years. But basically it goes straight down the center. Now this leg here is also part of the first station, and it comes out to the driveway and also feeds this sprinkler head. Now these sprinkler heads got to reach from here to the sidewalk, and they're rated at 13 to 18 feet, so it's plenty. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4 360s right there, and that just was too much draw on the volume for a 3/4 inch line. And then this line goes basically from that island bush there, right here, to the edge of the driveway, and then this last sprinkler here is also hooked up into the second leg of the lawn. The bubblers, the only thing they're feeding is this tree, which we have 2 pretty good volume bubbler heads here. They let out a 8-legged stream, which we'll show you later on as well. There it is right there. Good.